This video is presented to you by CXO Learning Academy, a learning initiative by CXO MAP. In this video, we will understand what is an asset, its properties, and the asset classification in a balance sheet. The basic accounting equation is the foundation for the double entry bookkeeping system. The following 5 accounting elements form the basis of balance sheet and profit and loss account. Asset, that is the resource, equals to liability plus owner's equity, which is the claim on resources. The extended equation includes the effect of profit and loss account. Hence, asset equals to liabilities plus owner's equity plus income, that's the revenues generated, minus expenses, that's the cost and dividend. Now we will discuss each of these 5 elements in detail. In this video, we will understand what is an asset, its properties, and the asset classification in a balance sheet. Defining an asset. An asset is anything that you own and has an exchange value. The dictionary defines it as an item of ownership that can be converted into cash. So for example, furniture in your house, property, car, stocks, and land are all assets. A more formal definition of an asset is that it is a resource with economic value that an individual, business entity, corporate, or the government owns or controls, with the expectation that it will provide future benefit. If we dissect the definition of an asset, we come across various properties of an asset. Ownership. An asset represents ownership of value that can be converted into cash or cash equivalents. Economic value. The asset should have some economic value, so it can be exchanged either for cash or kind. For example, it can be patents, brand name, or even prepaid expenses like advertisement, etc. Depreciation. Any asset gradually undergoes a decrease in value over a period of time. This decrease in value is called depreciation, and it is written off against the revenue generated by the asset. Depreciation can also be explained as a wear and tear of the asset. Future cash flows. For accounting purposes, an asset that generates future cash flows are recorded in the balance sheet, such as machinery, royalties, land, etc. Assets can be tangible or intangible. Tangible assets can be physically felt, perceived or seen, such as currencies, building, real estate, vehicles, inventory, equipment, and precious metals. Intangible assets are non-physical resources and rights that have an economic value because they derive some kind of an advantage in the marketplace. Examples of intangible assets are goodwill, copyrights, trademarks, computer programs, etc. Financial assets such as accounts receivable, bonds, and stocks, etc. are also intangible assets. Resource. A resource is a source from which benefit is produced. An asset is a resource. For example, farmland is a resource. For accounting purposes, an asset is a balance sheet item and part of the accounting equation. Asset equals to liabilities plus owner's equity. In the balance sheet accounts are prepared in distinct groupings, categories, or classification. The major categories of assets are current assets, investments, fixed assets, intangible assets, and other assets. Current assets is an asset in the balance sheet that is readily available and can be converted into cash or cash equivalent within a year. So current assets are all assets that a person can readily convert to cash to pay outstanding debt and cover liabilities without having to sell fixed asset. Current assets are also known as current accounts. Current assets are important to a business or an individual as they are assets that are used to fund day-to-day operations and ongoing expenses. Some examples of current assets are cash in hand or in the bank, short-term investments, inventories. Depending on the type of businesses, current assets can be land, crude oil, or even cakes. Investments. Investment is a financial term. It is a purchase of a financial product or other item of value with expectation of future gain. An investment decision is made after a lot of statistical and mathematical analysis. It has a high degree of security as well as an assured return on investment is expected. Investment is related to savings or differing consumption. As investment is not a speculation or gambling, it should be backed by collaterals such as insurance, pledge of assets, or bank guarantees. Investments are long-term assets. Example of an investment are investment in stocks or shares of another company, bonds, surrender value of a life insurance policy, or a sinking fund. Fixed assets. A fixed asset is an asset that are bought and used for an extended period of time and cannot be converted into cash easily. Property, plant, and equipment is another term used for fixed asset. In most cases, only tangible assets are referred to as fixed assets. As the use of these assets is generally more than a year, a depreciation or loss of value is charged to the revenues the asset generates. For example, fixed assets are machinery, property, land, building, vehicles, office space, etc. Intangible assets. Intangible assets are identifiable non-monetary assets that cannot be touched or felt. However, they are created over a period of time with time and effort. While intangible assets don't have the obvious physical value of a factory or equipment, they can prove very valuable for a business and can be critical to its long-term success or failure. For example, corporate brand names, patents, trademarks, copyrights, business methodologies, intellectual properties are all forms of intangible assets. Other current assets. Minor assets that generally do not fall under any of the other categories are other current assets. The value of this category can vary drastically from year to year. For example, prepaid expenses, scrap value of inventory, obsolete equipment, pieces of a property being readied for a sale, etc. Continue watching this space and we will keep providing more videos on all your favorite topics. Please give us feedback at learning@cxomath.com to improve the quality of the videos. Thank you for watching this video. This video is presented to you by CXO Learning Academy, a learning initiative by CXO Math.